If you've ever made a mistake while editing in Pixlr, don't worry because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to go back in Pixlr on a PC. Whether you want to undo a recent action, jump back to an earlier step, or even redo something you removed by accident, Pixlr gives you a few easy options. And once you know them, editing becomes a whole lot less stressful. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and step-by-step guides just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to keep making content that saves you time. Alright, let's get into it. The fastest way to go back in Pixlr is with a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows PC, press Ctrl Z. This will undo your most recent action right away. So if you accidentally added the wrong text, moved an object too far, applied an effect you didn't want, or made any other change you want to remove, Ctrl Z is the quickest fix. If you keep pressing Ctrl Z, Pixlr will keep stepping back through your recent edits one by one. That means you can go back several steps, not just the last one. This is really useful when you're testing different edits and want to quickly return to an earlier version. Now, if you want to go back to a specific point, instead of undoing one step at a time, use the History panel. The History panel shows a list of your recent actions in Pixlr, and you can click directly on a previous state to jump back to that exact moment. This is especially helpful if you made a lot of edits and only want to reverse some of them without undoing everything manually. To use it, look for the History panel in Pixlr while you're working on your project. Once it's open, you'll see the sequence of steps you've taken. Just click the step you want to return to, and Pixlr will restore your project to that point. It's a fast and visual way to control your edit process. Another way to go back is through the top edit menu. If you prefer using menus instead of shortcuts, click Edit at the top of Pixlr and then choose Undo. This does the same thing as Ctrl Z, but some people find it easier to use when they're still learning the interface. And if you went too far back and want to bring something back again, you can use Ctrl Y to redo. Redo is basically the opposite of undo, so if you accidentally undo something that you actually wanted to keep, Ctrl Y will restore that action. You can also find redo in the edit menu in many cases, depending on the version of Pixlr you're using. So if the shortcut doesn't work the way you expect, the menu is a good backup option. A good habit while editing in Pixlr is to make changes step by step and check your work often. That way, if something goes wrong, you can use Undo or the History panel to get back where you need to be without losing too much progress. So to quickly recap, press Ctrl Z to undo, use the History panel to jump back to a previous step, go to the Edit menu for Undo if you want a menu option, and use Ctrl Y to redo if you want to move forward again. Those are the main ways to go back in Pixlr on a PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of my tutorials for more easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.